Good morning. Happy Monday to you. Hope you have a productive work week. I am working on a 2023 Kia Sportage today, and I have been asked to do some more maintenance stuff on other vehicles outside of American vehicles. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on a 2023 to 2025 Kia Sportage, and I am going to be using some chemicals to de-bacteria, clean up the cabin air track. We are going to be using a CarQuest filter, which is a 97427P. 97427P. And we're going to use a chemical from, it's called Justice Brothers. It's called AC Clean Bacteria Killer and Freshener. If you go to your local auto parts store, they have cleaners that are just like this as well. Entering the passenger side of the vehicle, you're going to come in. I'm going to do most of this with one hand. Light on. Open the glove box. You're going to pull one corner. Pull the other corner. These little rubber tabs need to clear the side. Then you're going to take this here, pop it out. Just pop straight out. Here, here. Sometimes you got to work it a couple times. Back up in here, there's a little butterfly tab. Push it, pull forward. Go ahead and stick your finger under here, pull this. If you got a bunch of leaves and debris in there and it falls down inside the motor, well, then you got to pull the bottom panel underneath off and probably pull the motor out, which is typically 3 screws and an electrical connector. Suck out the fan, then put it all back, because it's going to throw an imbalance off. And then it's going to make it vibrate when you turn it up on high, or you turn it up on medium speeds or higher speeds. You'll, because it changes the weight of how everything spins. Anyway, now that that's out, what we'll do is we'll actually kick since all the debris stayed on top of this really dirty filter here, we'll go ahead and turn this key on. We will put our fan speed on high. I go ahead and select one of the positions. I typically do vent and feet at the same time. Kick my lid off of, come on. Kick my lid off of the spray. Take the spray and spray right into that box. Give it a second, let it suck in. It starts to pull it through that vent. It'll kill the bacteria that's been trapped in that track. Just do a little bit at a time. Don't just sit there and hold it. Some people sit there and hold it. Now I'll change over to the feet position. We'll do the feet track as well. This will get that nasty mildew smell out of your HVAC system. Go to my defrost. Go ahead and pull the filter out of the case. Go ahead and shut your fan off. Turn the key off. On the opposite side of the arrows, there's arrows that point down. You want this to go in there with the arrows right here pointing down. Go ahead and spray the back side of this. Man, this ain't got very much in it. I spray a little bit on the back side so it gets some of that lemongrass smell. Sorry, I'm not really hitting the surface too much. And then once I spray that, go ahead and slide this up in there. Keep the arrows pointed down, because the fresh air comes from the top. Slide it in. Take your cover, put it back the way it belongs. Put the little tab in the side first, and then snap this in. That'll all dry. It's like an alcohol base of some sort or whatever. If this pops off, you'll have to reach back up in here and snap it back on. And on this particular one, it goes on the first tab in the back, not the second one, because you'll put it in there wrong and you won't get it to sit right. Now I'm doing this with one hand. You could do it with two for sure. Now, Once you get that little actuator thing popped on, push it back. Something's not sitting right. Let me figure this out. What I had to do was I had to drop it back down and then get the little feet that pivot on the bottom. I had to slide that corner back up in. While it's pivoted down, I had to slide it back up in all the way, then re-pivot it back up. And slide this back on. There we go. Done and done. That's how you install the cabin air filter on a 23 to 25 Kia Sportage. Y'all be blessed. I hope these videos help. Take care. I'll have some different options down below for cabin air filters that may fit, may not. Do your homework. I'll have some spray down below for the cabin air track as well that's safe for it. Love y'all. I'm out.